Hi, hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video I will show you how to connect this physical keyboard into my phone here, the Android phone. Okay, what you need, obviously the physical keyboard like this, and then you need the adapter. For me, I have my port is USB-C, so I need the USB 3. I mean USB-A into USB-C. If you use the micro USB, you just find the adapter of USB-A into micro USB. So basically you no need to install any other apps to connect this physical keyboard into your phone. You just plug and play. Let me show you. Now my physical keyboard is already connected, and then there is no notification, any notification, so you know, and then you no need to install any other apps. So I will show you how to use. I will typing this feed on this Google Keep from my physical keyboard. It's really nice. It's really easy to use the physical keyboard. You have to note that your digital keyboard here, it doesn't show because you have already connect the physical keyboard. Also, what the coolest thing using the physical keyboard is the function here, like the search function, and then the next or previous function, pause, and then this volume function. It's all works if you connect this keyboard into your phone. Also the control C and the control V, also the alt tab, it's all works on your physical on your Android phone. Okay, that's it. It's very simple. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel, and then if you have any question, please put on the comment below. Thank you.